Hi guys, this is from Modern Techies. Today I am going to unbox and show you regarding the mobile Motorola G32. So this I got from Flipkart. Let's see. This is the 8GB RAM and 128 ROM variant. So this is how the box comes. So right within the box we get the mobile itself, and this is how it looks. And you can see there is already a case given along with the mobile. And apart from that, let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, yeah, you get some user guide and the SIM ejector. And apart from that, let's see what's inside the box. So you get 33-watt charger, and the cable you can see type A to type C cable. And yeah, that's it from the box. So let's look at the mobile. As you can see, it is full HD plus display with 90 Hz refresh rate, and it has Dolby Atmos bottom and top, as well as it has 5000 mAh battery. So let's first open this back cover. Yeah, initial appearances are this is a looks good back cover. And let's peel off this cover. Yeah, so let's see the hardware part. So bottom you get 3.5 mm headphone jack, microphone, type C port, and speaker grills here. On the left side you can see sim tray. On top you can see another microphone, and it is saying Dolby Atmos. And on the right side you can see power button. This is also works as a fingerprint reader, volume down and up. And back side you can see this is like shiny silver color and Motorola logo. And this is the camera module. So it has a triple camera setup and with a flash here. Yeah, you can see there are already fingerprints here. So yeah, we can say this is kind of fingerprint in the initial impressions. Let's quickly open the SIM tray and see. Yeah, you can see this is not a hybrid slot. This we can keep two SIMs as well as dedicated micro SD card. So that is good in this price range also. There's no compromise on the SD card. Yeah, let's quickly turn on the phone. Yeah, so the initial setup is done. So this is how the screen looks. Initial impressions are the screen is quite good. You can see. Let me show the maximum brightness. This is the maximum brightness, and I think this is good for me. And let's quickly see the settings, what Android version it running on and all. So let's go to about phone. Yeah, as you can see, this is running on Android 12. That is the first thing. And the Android security update last one is of 1st February. And you can see this is a dual SIM 4G. It supports 4G at the moment. It doesn't have any 5G. And it also has Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6 as well. So let's see the refresh rate. So this is under display refresh rate. So by default it is in auto, and you can see it supports 90 Hz also. So let's keep 90 Hz. Yeah, it is saying 90 Hz will be the smoothest but consumes a bit more battery. That's okay for now. So after 90 Hz, yeah, you can see it is quite fast at the moment. Yeah, so that is the Android version and the display. So the display is quite good at the moment. The viewing angles are great, decent enough, not as bright as AMOLED though, and it is, you can see, it is near to stock Android. You can see there's something called Facebook. I think we can uninstall. Let's open it. Yeah, you can uninstall. There are 2-3 bloatware apps, and there is the shopping folder, and there is an entertainment folder. Yeah, these are folders, there are no apps as such. Yeah, this is the initial impressions. And let's see any mic access available, blocked. So these are different permissions and notifications. So this is how the UI looks like. Yeah, so now let's look into the camera section. Yeah, so let's quickly look into the camera. So this comes with three cameras. One main camera with 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth and macro camera. So yeah, this is how the interface looks like. As you can see, here is an object. So you can see it has 0.5x, and it also has the macro option. This is the ultra wide and this is the normal camera. So let me quickly take some pictures. Yeah, I have taken some sample shots. So you can see as I am shooting this in night, there is less light, but you can see the photos are quite good at the moment, as per my initial impressions. So this is the ultra wide and this is the normal shot. The colors are good, and these are quite sharp, I would say. But for more pictures, camera photos and videos, I will share another video. So this is the photo mode. So you have HDR auto, and in video mode you have 1x, you have ultra wide, and also you can have the macro, you have slow motion, and video it supports till 1080p at 30 fps back camera as well as the selfie camera. Also the selfie camera comes with 16 MP camera, so that is the configuration. Also you have the portrait pro mode, and we have the night vision, panorama, and all these options. So these are the camera interface is quite clean, I would say, and the shutter speed is also quite fast. Suppose you can see, yeah, that is a decent shutter speed as well. So as of now there is no lag, I can say. After keeping this in 90 Hz, I don't feel there is any lag at the moment, but I need to test by installing some more apps and need to use it for some time, and then I can give you final verdict. So yeah, these are the initial impressions of the Moto G32, 8GB and 128GB RAM edition. So let me quickly show you how much you get in the RAM as well out of 8GB. Yeah, out of, you can say, 128GB storage, your 15GB is already consumed, 10 by the system itself. Okay, and let's see the RAM. Yeah, it is a 8GB RAM, and as you can see the display is 1080 full HD plus LCD display. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. In coming videos I will test its battery life. So as this comes with 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charger, and I think it will take about 1.5 hour to fully charge. So that I will tell in the upcoming video. So if you want the full camera test and the battery life test, please comment below, so I will surely definitely try to make another video. So that's it guys, this is for this video of unboxing Moto G32. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.